another nail tutorial. Just went to Walmart and I found these super cute Halloween nails for $2.98. I feel like pretty much across the board everybody can probably afford $3 for their nails. You can't really get much for $3 anymore, so this was a steal. The thing that I love about the nails is that they're already pre-designed. You don't have to do anything. They even come with the little jewels on the back. Be sure to purchase the Maximum Speed Kiss nail glue, and I'm going to show you how to take the little pre-glued sticky things off of the back of these nails. If you're looking to use them for just one evening, I think they work just fine. They do get stuck in your hair. I would suggest gluing them. They're going to last you up to 2 weeks. I always cut mine down because unfortunately I do work at a computer and I cannot type with long nails. I've tried. Sell these in stores. This is a Kiss product specifically for cutting false nails. So this is a really great tool to have. Also, you're going to need a nail file as always, and you're going to need a little cuticle stick to push the glue out. Stay tuned and keep watching and see how I got a spooky manicure for under $3. I want to point out real quick, if you are doing your nails at home, you need to get this Essie Gel Couture top coat. It is a lifesaver and a game changer. Alright everybody, now that you have the nails out of the package, the most important thing is to size your nails to the correct size of the false nail. This will make sure that you do not have any sides that are hanging over, so water won't get into it, they won't lift, crack, or break. So if your nails are oddly shaped like mine, I have a very square cuticle. You just want to take your nail file and square off the edges of the nail. This is going to make sure that the nail fits much better and looks like you got them done at a salon. Now that you've sized all 10 nails, you're going to move on to getting rid of this sticky thing on the back of the nail. These do come in the cheaper versions of the nails, and this is very easy to do. You just take your cuticle pusher and just kind of push the glue back to the top part of the nail, and then you're just going to kind of pull it off with your fingers. And again, I know it looks like it does take some time, but this is a very easy step, and it's going to make your manicure last up to 2 weeks. Always remember to file your natural nail so that the glue has something to adhere to. The gluing process on these nails is so important. You want to make sure that you get it from tip to tip all the way around the whole entire nail. This is going to make sure they don't lift, crack, or get any water under there, which is very important because you don't want any fungus or mold. Make sure to use a lot of pressure when the nail glue is drying. You want to make sure that the glue has spread across the entire surface of your nail. You're going to repeat this process on all 10 nails to make sure all the glue has dried and they are ready for filing. I always suggest filing the ends of the nails just to make sure there's no little plastic things that are hanging off to make them look like you just stepped out of the salon. Now you can always use that Kiss false nail cutter to cut them to any length that you want. This is also going to give you an extremely custom look. So have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
please watch my other nail tutorial that is more in depth about how I get these amazing nails that last for 2 weeks. I'm just going to add at the very end here that you can always use a top coat, especially over something that has a little rhinestones or any details, just to make sure that the manicure stays put.